And sources have told India today that the Indian government will push the global financial crime watchdog Financial Action Task Force to add Pakistan to its grey list again. Pakistan was taken off the FATF grey list in 2022, boosting its reputation among lenders. And after India's precision strikes rattled Pakistan is now scrambling for global funds. Now, according to sources, India has gathered solid evidence against Pakistan, proving that the country is using global cash aid to shop for arms and sponsor terror. A dossier will be given in the next meeting of the FATF. India will provide evidence on how Pakistan is funding terrorism and misusing funds provided by the IMF. Pakistan has significantly increased arms imports in the years when it received financial aid from the IMF. Remember, countries on the FATF grey list are subject to increased monitoring and must work with FATF to improve their regimes. They may face economic sanctions from the IMF and the World Bank and also experience adverse effects on trade.
Pakistan must be brought back in FATF grey list. Now, what is the importance of FATF grey list? That there will be huge scrutiny on that nation when you do money transactions. And it is a fact that Pakistan uses Middle East, hawala or money laundering, to sponsor terrorist groups against India. Now, I'll give you an example. In 2018, Pakistan was brought in grey list. One Sajid Mir. If you open FBI website and type Sajid Mir, there's a 5 million reward on his head. Now, Sajid Mir was the main person who engaged David Headley. He told him to change his name for Dawood Gilani to David Headley. Now, Pakistan said he's dead. In Germany, when the final meeting of FATF was held, Pakistan came into that meeting and said, Sajid Mir is alive. Now, how can a person who's dead becomes alive? That in itself clearly shows that what Pakistan does. And then the Pakistani court gave him a sentence of 15 years for terror financing. So bringing Pakistan and FATF is very important, because our apprehension is that this 2 billion loan which IMF is giving, that will be used by Pakistani military. And it is a known fact, whenever this loan is given, it goes to all the core commanders of Pakistan army. Someone has very rightly called them crore commanders of Pakistan army.